be shy, just let your feelings roll on by. Don't wear fear, when nobody will know you're there. Just lift your head and let your feelings out instead. So don't be shy, just let your feelings roll on by. Well, howdy there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers again with another hopefully interesting little lesson for you. A quick one, a very simple one. Okay, it's a song from Cat Stevens called Don't Be Shy. Okay, and it has only 3 chords in it. Okay, so this is a really simple one for you. Standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key that Cat Stevens originally did the song in. Okay, now I've only obviously gone through the first verse for you. The reason being is there's nothing else in the song to play wise. Okay, 3 chords, same sequence all the way through the song, non-stop. So once you've got the 3 chord sequence sorted, you've got the whole song. There's nothing else in it. Okay, so what we've got is 3 chords: an A, an E with an A in the bass, and a D sus2. Okay, so the A chord is played like this. Is the way that I see or hear Cat Stevens playing this song. Okay, there are different ways of doing 3 chords, obviously, but I think this is the way Cat Stevens is playing it on the record. Okay, so it's that's the A chord I'm playing. Okay, and basically, if you can imagine a very, like an F shape on the 5th fret, but lift up the bar, so the bar is lifted up and you've opened up top E string open and the 5th string A string open. Don't play the bottom E string. Okay, just 5 down to 1. So first finger is on the 5th fret of the 2nd string, the B string, second finger is on the 6th fret of the 3rd string, the G string, and my 3rd finger is on the 4th string on this 7th fret. Okay, so it's just like an F shape but lifted off the bar. Okay, 5 down to 1 should sound like that. Okay, second chord is an E chord with A in the bass. So again, now what we do, fingers change shape to this. The A string is open again. I'm not playing the bottom E string again, it's just the A string. My 3rd finger is playing the 6th fret of the 4th string, the D string. So first finger is playing the 4th fret of the 3rd string, the G string, and my 2nd finger is playing the 5th fret of the 2nd string, the B string. The top E string again is open, and as is the 5th string. 5th string and top E string open should sound like that. So that's in an E with A in the bass, okay? Or E over A or something like that. And then the final chord is a D sus2, the way I'm playing, I think. Again, all you do is this E chord that you've just played with A in the bass, just move it down 2 frets, keeping the same finger shape. So now the 3rd finger is on the 4th fret of the D string. The 1st finger is on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and the 2nd finger is on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Again, 5th string open, not playing the bottom E string, and the top E string open. It should sound from 5 down to 1, like that. And all you do is this. And that's it. That's all the way through the song, non-stop. Okay, so the A chord, there's like a downstroke and then a very quick sort of brush, I could call it that, before you go into the E chord with A in the bass. So it's do that, like dun, dun, just a quick strum and then a very brief brush, like a very light strum. Dun 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 dun. Right, got that? Dun 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 dun. And then another light. So you do the strum on the E chord, and then another very light brush, and then take it down to the D sus2. So you do very slowly. Dun 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 dun. It's like a jumpy sort of chord sequence, yeah? And then it's like a dun 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 dun. There are sort of little mini strum when you get down there, so down to the D. And then a definite da da, single strum, stronger strum on that D sus2, and then to the E with A in the bass, single strum, and then back to the A again, and it just goes round and round and round, okay? Very slowly then. Slowly. Okay, got it? And then he just sings his way through the verses one after the other. It's exactly the same to play all the way through the song. So. Don't be shy, just spread your views. Got the idea? There we have it, boys and girls. I can't tell you anything else about that song. It's that simple. Well, thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.